Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to set a data limit on Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple video, so let's go. First of all, just go to the start and just type settings. Just click on the settings. Here is the settings. In settings, we find network and internet. Just click on the network and internet. In network and internet, we find Ethernet. If you're using Ethernet, just click on the Ethernet. I am using Wi-Fi, so I just click on the Wi-Fi. Okay. In Wi-Fi, we find our Wi-Fi name. Just click on the properties of our Wi-Fi. Just click on properties. Okay. In properties, we find many options. Here we find metered connection. It is off. If you want to limit your connection, then just click on the on. And if you not want, then just go with the off. I want to on it, so I just click on the on. Here we find set a data limit to help control data using on this network. Okay, just click at here. Now here we find one option, edit enter limit. Just click on the enter limit. Okay. Now if you want to set a monthly, then just click on monthly. One time, then one time, unlimited, then unlimited. I want to monthly, then I just click on the monthly. Okay. And set the date. I start from the 1. You can start from the any date. I start from the 1. And I want to limit the data of the 10 GB. So I just type at here 10 and change it unit to MB to GB. Just change it to GB. Then just click on the save. Now just go to the back and close this. And now your data limit is set to 10 GB. After 10 GB, your internet access is automatically off. So guys, this is the simplest way to set a data limit on a Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.